Not making any money and you're going to wake up next year in the same position you are right now because you keep doing these things. Every year, every week, every month, every day, you keep waiting for the right time or the right opportunity. There are some times when waiting for the right time to do some things is good, but not when it's completely stopping you from doing anything at all. If you're one of those people who says, hey, I'm going to wait till I get more money, wait till I get a second job, wait till I have more time, wait till the summer, wait till the weekend, it's never going to happen, and you're going to find yourself still not doing anything or even getting started. Just freaking start. We've all heard of Napoleon Hill, right? Check this out. He says this: do not wait. The time will never be just right. Start where you stand and work whatever tools you may have at your command, and better tools will be found as you go along. Listen, when you start taking action, everything else happens. All the next steps happen, but you can't get to those next steps without going through step one. So I have a step one for you. In this video, comment, I'm ready to take action. I'm going to give you a link so you can start taking action and do step one and move the needle forward so you can start being successful before 2023 ends. Let's go.